An ITC system loves to be clean and wet, so please never dry the cells. In between the experiments, the cells should be filled with some aqueous solution. Even if you are not using the system for a longer period of time, let's say a couple of weeks, then please keep the cells wet. You can add some ethanol to it against bacterial growth. And only if you need to ship the system for some kind of reason, or you're not using the ITC for several months, then it is okay to dry the cells. Therefore, we have also a protocol. So you simply clean the cells and then you place methanol inside. You warm up the system with an open cap so the methanol can evaporate. And then you close the cap, turn off the instrument, and it will be happy.